Hi and welcome to the Python Complete course. In previous video we have learned about how to install Python in our operating system, and also we talked about PyCharm IDE. We complete the installation process of PyCharm, and in this video I'm going to show you how the Visual Studio Code can help us by using a Python. Before jumping over to the main point, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. It will motivate us for creating more useful content for you. So first, what we are going to do, we are going to create a new project in Visual Studio for Python. So we are going to create, and here inside select a language, we are going to click, and here we need to find the Python, and here we go, Python. And first we are going to save this. So this one is going to be test1, and then we are going to save this, and here we go, our project is successfully saved. Now what we are going to do here, we're going to just print the hello world program. Here you can see print, and here we're going to say hello world. That's it. And now after that, here you can see at the right side at the top, you can just click on a run, and here we go, it will run the project, the hello world, as simple as it looks. And this is our first hello world program. And here you can see the print. We have used here the print function. The print function is used for output the result of a program. You can also add another print, use another print function for again hello again, and now so you can print this, and here you can see hello world and hello again. Then this is how can we print our first hello world program. And you can also see how simple is Visual Studio for Python. So it's your choice whether you want to use the PyCharm or Visual Studio. And don't forget to subscribe, it will motivate us for creating more useful content.